Chelsea, you know, it is high time we go back to the States. Because I can't stand the word.
Listen, you need to size your mind. Because as far as I know, the last time we called Mom, she said that we are going to spend like 5 months here.
5
months?
Me bet na Ghana 5 months.
Oh, bet na Ghana 5 months. You better start speaking proper tree because oh, bet na check.
I'm not gonna speak that.
That what? That's your native language.
You know what?
You have to go back. You have to go back. You already know that you were the reason why you came here.
So now you're trying to blame me?
No, I'm not trying to blame you.
You know what? I think you are not the right person to talk to. So I have to go.
Oh, In the morning, I went to Sarah's place, and guess what happened? Are you listening? Okay, fine, let me see. So, as we were sitting there discussing, there was this cute dude. I got you.
It's not
I
like,
got you.
No, it's not like.
Immediately I mentioned a dude. I knew that.
No, I'm just paying attention to you just because I don't want you to waste your energy.
Okay. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So, I went to her. So whilst we were having a conversation, there was this guy who came in. You won't believe how this guy was handsome. I didn't say handsome. So you know that some guys, we refer to them as beautiful.
Sure.
Yeah, this dude is in a category of those beautiful guys.
I know sometimes you exaggerate.
I'm not exaggerating, sis. I'm not exaggerating. You should have been there to witness it yourself. And so I asked her, wow, babes, who is this guy? Before he introduced him to me as a brother. Yeah.
You know what? A check akra me kostra sewa. So me person yambo cha me kostra sewa kakra.
Person yambo cha kostra sewa kakra.
Yeah, it's been long I went to a place.
I quite remember say me koko anopa. I asked you, babes, let's go. Oh, say I won't go. I don't want to go anywhere. In person, me ko baby.
Me Eviano a shimmy skin na me ye dark.
That's
so I don't want to go there in the afternoon. So at least I can go in the morning or in the evening.
Well, because I talked about a guy.
Oh God. You are too little to understand certain things. Me mankra brema adam for me konifi me kosrano.
Okay.
Bonnie Bena a woman.
Bonnie knew. You can go there. At least just to witness yourself.
What are you trying to talk to say?
I know that
I'm not interested in Sarah's brother or anybody, any handsome or any beautiful guy.
Okay, fine.
I'm just going to pay her a visit.
Fine.
Moreover, I'm not ready to date any Ghana guy because you know I have a guy over there and I'm going back to the States.
I know, sis. You're just going there to pay her a visit.
You are just
going there to pay her a visit. Right?
You know what? You are just pissing me off. I think it is time for me to sleep. Remember, don't forget to pray for me because you know I don't think I will never.
Say wow. Who you can see Papa?
Someone's right this year. Why effect? Oh, why did you come?
You know, I kind of like the weather over there.
Because I had a free call home.
Meaning say I had a
Nanti I had a free call. You're Ghana, no, you're home. No, it's not. You know that's not how I done. Mama,
O person did matem.
Me person did you at him. Me person did you.
Madam for be baga na me ba on chain.
Me say uchi na o can get uchi na o can get the ahana Africa etiquette.
Okay, fine. I know you don't like the way I speak, but that's sweet. But I'll just manage and speak English.
And I'm saying English. You na ye Ghanaian. What you saying etiquette? So I'm saying to me etiquette na so leko.
So it's just frustrating me. You know what? And my sister said she came here yesterday.
Arazuma make na mabunto so mama. Me say so to me etiquette ya so leko.
Obefa me kasane sa.
Obefa de sa. Me fasa.
Because me tweet no me to me can't do.
Also me tweet. Because me tweet.
Me ba on chair Jojo me sa adan.
Na say me Jojo. And no sister na point. But two sister ni chi ni mu down. But once a person just watch show mu di.
No, my sister no oba abotre no oni Ghana for ne nanti me ni abrofo in a movie.
Okay. So ni omo kese pintia.
My sister say oba habesra o Endra.
Endra oba ha.
Ti me so me baga na no me to me besra o me base me besra o kakra.
So oba e o chiro. Yin na ne e wo ha na nyame adom na akwanko. Tu ba ya say o chiro bi.
No, it's not like that. I just don't like the weather. You know, Ghana is too hot for me.
And ti say kwai.
Oh, very soon I'll go.
Yeah, what's not here?
So you still leave me alone or you're here with someone?
I never. And I'm a brother.
Your brother? So you have a brother?
Now the old sister no buy or can say it.
No, she didn't say anything like that to me.
Ah, you and them never brother or I know papa.
Hey, so where's your father?
Oh, papa, what you come here? Now we saw me papa, we saw me brother. Hey,
your brother. Yeah. You know we were kids when we were just playing around and so where is he?
Oh, my brother inside.
He's inside.
Inside.
Really?
Yes.
You know, it's been a very long time since I set my eyes on him. We were just kids playing around. So I just I just want to see whether he's grown now or he's still the same.
Little brother with trust in my brother. Yes, sir.
Not like that, but something like that.
Not like that, but something like that. And my brother inside. My brother number one.
Something like that.
Aish, what do I know? What am I